Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful Valentine's Day wreath made from items from mostly Dollar Tree and one item from Hobby Lobby. What you will need for this craft is a glue gun, one roll of burlap ribbon with wire, any cute decorations you'd like to add, a wire heart wreath, any type of thick string or cord, glue stick, scissors or wire cutters, and of course your choice of a floral color. This bundle right here, the pink with a little bit of an accent of purple, was my favorite. They really caught my eye. You can prep them by pulling the heads and the greenery off. First we are going to start by grabbing the burlap wire ribbon and folding about an inch long section over the top of the heart beginning at the bend. I like to unravel the entire roll so it's easier to pull through the middle to wrap around. You will keep wrapping until there is no ribbon left and about half of the wreath will be exposed, which is okay because this is where your floral will go. The bottom of the heart at the point is a little tricky. You'll want the wire part of the ribbon to be right at the point covering it, but still enough overhang to wrap around and cover it. Then you'll want to hot glue the rest of the burlap onto the back of the wreath. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Wednesday. Now it's time to glue the floral down. You can add greenery as you go, or you can add it at the end so you can see where you need it. You can look for holes or empty spaces to fill in with greenery. I like to do mine as I go along, plus I like to do it at the end just to fill in where the holes are. As you can see, I like to reinforce the floral on the back of the wreath. I love Valentine's Day. It's a wonderful day to go the extra mile to show someone that you care about them. I love getting everyone little treats and making crafts with my boys. What are some things that you like to do for people on Valentine's Day? Comment below. Look how beautiful this is! Now it's time to place your decoration. You can move it around and see where you like it, and then you'll hot glue directly on the wreath and place your decoration. This is when I'll go back and place my greenery in any holes or open spots that I see. I'll mainly place the greenery around the edges and in the middle. I found it easiest to put the hot glue directly on the leaf and then sticking it into those places because it sticks onto the flower instead of onto the wire. Also, if you're not sure how it'll look, stick the greenery in and check it out before you glue it in. This wreath turned out amazing. Cut a 6 to 8 inch section of thick string or yarn and only glue the ends down on the back part of the wreath on either sides of the peak to hang on the wreath hook. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know of any other DIYs you have in mind that you'd like me to attempt. Thanks for watching!